Honest question, does AI worry you? Do you think it'll take your job away? If you learn the tips and tricks from the world of AI, do you think you'll get better at your job? Maybe get an appraisal as well. Are you an optimist? Are you more cynical about the future of tech? Is the glass half empty or the glass half full? Big tech is trying really hard to become big AI, but there are new players coming in like OpenAI as well, Perplexity. Maybe that defines what happens with the future of tech. But the Apples, the Samsungs and Googles get a lot of coverage in terms of what they're doing and their bid to become the next big thing in the AI world and the world of tech. There's also another conference that takes place every year in Los Angeles. It's called Adobe MAX. The mainstream media doesn't cover it the same way, but we were supposed to be there. And now we can tell you about some of the things that have been announced at Adobe MAX. Design, creativity, tech, and a whole lot of AI. Let's decide whether you're worried about the AI announcements at Adobe MAX, or are you actually excited in this special Tech 360 report?
The show opened with Firefly Image Model 5, Adobe's most capable image generator yet. It now delivers native 4-megapixel visuals, a 4-fold jump in resolution from the previous version, with striking improvements in realism, lighting, and human detail. You can move, resize, or replace elements while Firefly automatically adjusts shadows and reflections. Adobe's apps are getting a conversational upgrade too. New AI assistants in Photoshop, Express, and Firefly let you design or edit simply by describing what you want. AI will adapt colors, fonts, and layout while keeping the design intact. It's already available to Express Premium users and will expand soon. Video editors are getting a major productivity boost. Premiere Pro now includes AI-powered masking tools that eliminate the need for manual rotoscoping. The new object mask can automatically detect and track subjects across a shot with one click. Adobe has also added faster 3D and bi-directional tracking. Photoshop's new Harmonize feature is tailor-made for designers who work with composites. Drop an object or person into a new background and the AI instantly matches lighting, color, and shadow to create a natural blend. You get multiple variations and fine-tuning controls to perfect the result, which is a huge time saver for creatives who usually spend hours adjusting every detail. Harmonize is currently in beta on desktop and web, with early access coming to iOS soon. Adobe also previewed Project Moonlight, an AI conductor that connects assistants across Photoshop, Premiere, and Lightroom. It learns your creative style, taps into your Creative Cloud assets, and helps plan or produce content tailored to your brand or workflow. Firefly, meanwhile, is expanding beyond visuals with new audio and video capabilities. You can now generate soundtracks with licensed music, create natural voiceovers, or edit video using an AI-powered timeline tool. With new partnerships across Google, OpenAI, 11 Labs, Luma AI, and Runway, Adobe's creative ecosystem is becoming more connected and a lot more capable.